Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to lock individual chats on WhatsApp using your phone. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure it updated to the latest version. Step 2. Choose the chat you want to lock. Then scroll through your chats and open the conversation you want to lock. This can be any chat, personal or group. Step 3. Open the chat info menu. Inside the chat, look at the top and tap the name of the person or group. This will open the chat info screen. Step 4. Turn on the chat lock. Now turn on the switch that says lock this chat with Face ID. Just look at the screen for a moment. Once the Face ID is confirmed, the chat becomes locked. Step 5. After looking, the chat will disappear from your chat list. Now you can view locked chats safely. And that's it. You have now learned how to lock individual chats on WhatsApp. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop some likes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.